guys, okay, welcome back to the channel guys, welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. As you can see over here, we are not DIYing, okay, so what happened was, the car suddenly broke down. Okay, so it happened one day, okay, when I was going to work, okay, and I cranked the engine and there was no crank and no start. So the first thing I thought was, it's got to be the battery. Battery is low. I was asking in my neighbors chat group. Okay, I was asking them, hey, anyone got a jump starter? I got cables. So someone actually come over and jump start the car for me. Okay, but it did not start. And the thing is, it did not crank at all. Yeah, so I took out the computer and my OBD reader. Yeah, so I ran up all the codes and all this, right? And there were a lot of funny codes. So long story short, okay, I have to visit the workshop, and this workshop I'm visiting is at Kaki Bukit. Yeah, you can check it out for this workshop, okay. And right now they are trying to diagnose the car. Most likely it's going to be the starter motor. Yeah, so we're going to show you a bit more on the repair process. Alright, so let's go. For the N52 engine, in order to get to the starter motor, you have to remove the intake over here because it's right underneath the manifold. So this is the starter motor for the airplane. So right now, okay, they are fixing up the car already, and guess what? It was really the starter motor only. Yeah, so I actually went through the trouble of looking at all the fuses, all the relays, and checking out all the codes and everything. Okay, but it was just the starter motor. Yeah, so for those of you who are new, please like and subscribe. Okay, and for those of you who are looking for a place to check out your car, do check this out. Okay, Everest Motorwerkz. Yeah, so we'll drop a link to the shop down below. Okay, do check this out. Okay, I would say the prices are very reasonable. Okay, do give them a call first. If the guy in charge is called Ken, K-E-N, Ken, I think I can put his contact down below. So guys, I hope you guys have liked this one. If you like this, please smash the like button, please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Alright, so guys, stay healthy, happy, modding your car. Bye!